How to naturally get dimples. The fleshy region of the cheek has little folds or indentations known as dimples. They are caused by a slight muscle abnormality that allows the cheek's skin to pull tightly while moving, resulting in the external divots. 1. Suck your cheeks in and pucker your lips. Make a look as though you've just eaten a lemon or something remarkably unpleasant to begin working your cheek muscles. Your cheeks should be somewhat pulled in and your lips should be slightly pouted. Your lips must be closed, but you shouldn't clench your teeth together as this may hinder you from sucking in your cheeks. 2. The dents should be pressed and held. Find the areas of your cheeks with the deepest indentations. Using both index fingers, hold down this area on both cheeks. As you get ready to move your mouth, keep your fingers firmly planted in these locations. 3. Smiling, adjust your fingers as needed. Keep your fingers glued to the same regions of your face while you gradually widen your smile. Wide and open-mouthed smiles are best since dimples usually show up when a smile is fairly wide. Now place your fingers towards the corners of your smile, or where dimples would appear if you had them. 4. Press on for at least 30 minutes. You must firmly hold these indentations for at least 30 minutes in order to train your cheeks to develop longer-lasting dimples. 5. Repeat each day. For a few weeks, keep doing daily 30-minute exercises to improve your dimple. You might want to move on if a month goes by and you still haven't developed long-lasting dimples. If you don't eventually succeed, this method may just not be for you since it isn't backed by any scientific data, only hearsay. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.